reasons why I use this great stuff, which is a foam sealant. This one is actually the big gap filler, which fills up gaps up to 3 inches. Here's a quick look at my issues with the water lines, gas lines, and the electric cable line that had to fill some gaps from draft, bugs, and rodents. This is the gas line area. I had some areas that were big enough for rodents to come in, and I did have some debris showing that I did have some rodents that were coming in those holes. Here's where I had to fill in the electrical cable area. Signs of debris, and here's a water line area that I had to fill in. When releasing, it can get stringy, and if you touch it with your hands, it gets very, very sticky. In this area, I had to tackle a sprinkler as well as a water line above in my ceiling. Note that it can get messy, and just make sure you have a wet rag with you so you can wipe up the mess. It becomes tack-free in 6 minutes, and you can also trim it after 30 minutes. And it's also paintable, stainable, and sandable. No noticeable odor, and it's also easy to clean with acetone. Note that it expands about 2 to 3 times bigger than what you sprayed. Overall, it gives me a peace of mind that I sealed the holes to keep out the draft, rodents, and bugs. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.